A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini as feminist perspective. About author Khaled Hosseini, born on March 4, 1965. He was an Afghan American novelist, physician, and UNHCR ambassador. His famous works were The Night Runner, The Thousand Splendid Suns, and The Mountain Echoed. Story outline. The story is set in Afghanistan. It's a fiction work by Khaled Hosseini. The novel is set on the behalf of the war torn. The novel is centered on two female characters, Mariam and Leila. They suffered a lot in their life. They married the Rashid. In this novel, we can see this problem faced by Afghan women throughout the character. Mariam is an illegitimate daughter of Jalil, who is a businessman, and she was married to Rashid, who she was being brutally harassed by him for not bearing a child. After a few years, he again married a woman, Laila. Both Mariam and Laila become victims in a battle with their husband, who treat them very violent, and they were abused by laws and order. In the novel, Khaled gives a clear picture of the problem faced by Afghan women. Bearing of male child is only accepted by the society. From this, we can conclude that it's a male-dominated society, and Afghan women are not so important in that society. We can see the female friendship relation between Mariam and Leila. Feminist perspective. Feminism is the belief in social, economic, and political equality for women. Feminism mainly deals with the interests of women, their rights. Feminism has its roots in the women's society. The problems faced by women across the world by male-dominated society are similar in case of oppression and suppression. In Western society, women are restricted to the domestic sphere and in public domain. All rights were enjoyed by male members. Women were restricted from getting education and were confined to the four walls of their house. Gender equality is considered as feminist. All are having equal power, whether it's a male or a female. Women in Afghanistan have faced gender equality issues for several years. A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini is the best example of feminism and gender equality. This novel stresses on the life of Afghan women, the problems they are facing in day-to-day life. They impose restrictions on education, their interest, and their choice. The society gave more importance to male members. Male domination of Afghan women is a major problem that relates to the major concern of feminism. In this novel, the Afghan women are forcefully married to unknown members having more than one wife and who treat them in very bad manner. They do not have any freedom, and issues are the major concern of feminists across the world. The novel narrates the strength and resilience of two women who were treated very badly in an anti-feminist society. The Taliban people use violence. This in turn they create fear in Afghan women, which helped the Taliban to control Afghan women. Afghan women were not treated like human, but they are treated as an object for pleasure. Mariam is married to Rashid. They both shift to Kabul, where she suffers a lot. He done violence against Mariam for not bearing a child, and he forced his wife to wear burqa. It shows the male dominating power. There is no justice for Afghan women, especially for Islamic women. They have to follow strict Islamic rules and laws who undermine women's basic rights and their equal participation in human community. The oppression and violence faced by Afghan women. It's necessary to free women from restriction imposed upon them by Taliban and male-dominated society. All the female characters in this novel face this problem, and they face terrifying situation that a human imagination. The female character in the story are in a hopeful bright future. The right for Afghan women are banned by Taliban society, and they even had no right to play games, and they were restricted to laugh loudly, and they were also banned from getting education. He tells about the heartbreaking reality of Afghan women. According to Muslim tradition, male members can marry one or more women they like. Jalil is the perfect example from the novel A Thousand Splendid Suns. In this novel, Jalil has 3 wives and 9 illegitimate children. Another character in the novel is Rashid, husband of Mariam and Leila. He is gentle, affectionate, and loving husband who concerned about his wife's emotion, but later he turned into a sex-obsessed man. From this novel, we can clearly state that women in Afghanistan is under the control of male authority. Women cannot have right to choose a right person as their soulmate. It's only the elder member of the family who has right to take decision. So female members in society are suppressed. Laila and another character in novel, also the wife of Rashid. He sees her mother through Mariam. He is very lovable and kind towards Layla. Rashid often insults both of his wife. He verbally and physically abuses both of them, and it's not manageable. Mariam is treated in a very bad manner. Both Mariam and Layla is afraid of his behavior towards them. His violence towards the two female members can be seen throughout the novel. The Afghan women has to cover their face in order to hide their beauty. Rashid forced Mariam to wear burqa. She should wear burqa in front of public sphere. Muslim women often wear burqa in Eastern countries. It's an unavoidable factor and they want to wear burqa and parda. It is a part of their culture and customs to be followed by every woman in their country. It is a symbol of oppression of women's freedom of beauty or freedom is restricted inside the parda. Their rights and freedom are directly connected to their cultural practice and so that they wear it. The strict Islamic rules were imposed by Afghanistan. The laws were followed by each and every Afghan woman. Every woman has to sit inside their home all the time and no one is allowed to go to street or market. And if anyone violates the rules, they will be sent to hell. All Afghan women had to follow the male member oaths and their freedom was oppressed by male member in that community. Women had to stay inside the domestic circumstance and they had to remain silent and noiseless forever. If they raised voice against cruelty, they were killed or locked up in a room. So, most of the women were restricted from getting education and all powers were given to male and they dominated the women flock. The Islamic men always imposed heavy duties on female. Feminism may differ according to their circumstance and custom. Feminism is a war against male-dominated world and they all have equal right to get education and express their thoughts and ideas. A woman has the power to not express their pain and suffering, so the freedom of every individual is an important factor. That's why gender equality is important in every country. The feminism movement shows a way to women to have equal status in male-dominated world. Before the advent of feminism, women were treated as an object and women were always inferior to men. Layla and Mariam, they come face to face due to Afghan war circumstance. One of the protagonists, Mariam, she is not an educated woman. She never goes to school. And second protagonist, Layla, who an educated girl. So he knows the equal rights given for both gender. The idea of the women were kept away from the society and gave no importance to their idea. After the war, a lot of Afghan people died due to war, full of bloodshed, and many of them lost their parents and education. The oppressions of women are still connected with male-dominated society. The rights of women were completely stopped. They both attain freedom. They know more about gender equality. Her lack of education brings her into a lower class woman. In early days, Muslim women do not get sufficient amount of education, so they are not aware about the importance of education and gender equality. They join together to attain freedom from their husband Rashid. At the end of the novel, the Layla still exists a hope she got a job. The word job implies the power of education. Without education, there is no job. So education plays an important role in the novel. Conclusion. We can also see a mother-daughter relation between these two characters. The Afghan women and their oppression is general theme in this novel. The primary theme in the novel is fight for the right of women. That's Afghan women. Within the arrival of Taliban, women were strictly asked to wear burqa as a symbol of a caged bird, and they have to follow the rules and regulations imposed by Taliban people. So the author tried to free Afghan women from the male-dominated society. Most of his works were set in Afghanistan, and he speaks about the right of women in the society. This novel was published in 2007 as a great feminism movement. The novel contained full of violence, fear of Afghan women. A Thousand Splendid Suns shows the anti-feminist society and they are not given any kind of consideration. After coming of literature, people express their thoughts and ideas throughout literature. The major themes deals with the novels were suffering, oppression, violence, sacrifice, feminism, slavery and right for education. Thank you.